Here we have another project for Thai garden design. In this example, this is for cat lovers in Thailand or who are thinking coming to Thailand. In this example, in Ubon Ratchathani in Isan, the owners owned a few cats and they had a concrete terrace outside, and they wanted to convert this into a cat covered area where the cats could be safe. Thailand could be quite hazardous for cats, even in rural and urban areas, with the soy dogs and various wildlife that can hurt cats. So at night time, it is nice to have an area where you can safely place the cats and they're not going to be in any danger. So the team cut and welded this galvanized steel frame across the concrete terrace. I think it was about 35 square meters, 12 meters long by 3 wide, something like that. There were to be 2 gates at either end with steps down, and obviously there's an internal door that leads into the Catio from the house. So there's good access from all around. The team built the frame and welded the steel for the gates. In this example, we used a PU foam roof, which had quite a bright colour scheme, and the owners themselves have quite a bright colour idea for the project. So you'll see in later slides that we coloured the Catio. It's very unique style. We think really good, very attractive, in a red and yellow finish. Our Catios come with various playthings for the cats inside. We build ramps and little kennels and cubby holes for them. And we built these in this project as well. You'll see some soon. There's the colour scheme. So now it's really taking shape. You can see inside there's a nice big area for the cats to roam free and be happy. There's some of the ramps and kennel areas so the cats can play and just be independent and happy inside the Catio. So yeah, we built these a few times. They are very popular, and the owners are always really pleased with the work that the team can do. They can be creative on site and in real time. And here they painted the steel and some of the tools inside to the unique colour scheme that was befitting to the client. So the customers were really happy with the final result. A nice large area for their cats to roam. And so if you're interested in building a safe area for your cats in Thailand, then look no further and give us a shout. And here are some video shots of the team at work. And now some final pictures of the finished Catio with the nice colour scheme and the PU foam roof. Large space, really attractive. The owners were thrilled with the results. The cats are nice and safe at night time. Thanks for watching. Tune in for some more interesting garden projects.